In this video, I will show you how to perform practical number 13 of programming in C language subject. The practical is write a program to implement following character functions in C. And the functions are is lower, is upper, is x digit, to lower and to upper. So these are the 5 character functions which we have to implement in our program. Out of those 5 functions, the first 3 functions, that is lower, is upper, is x digit, these are character testing functions. They test with whether the character is of a particular type or not. And the function number 4 and 5, that is to lower and to upper, these are the character conversion functions. Means these functions convert a character from one form into another form. So let us move straight away to the CIDE where we are going to develop the program. As usual, first we will include the header file stdio.h in our program. The next thing is we have to include one more header file in our program, and that header file is ctype.h. Now why ctype.h header file is to be included? Because the definitions of the character functions which I am going to use in my program, they are stored in ctype.h file. So I have to include that header file in my program. Write the main function, and here I am going to implement these functions one by one. Now I will declare one variable character whose name is ch. Then the user will be prompted with one message that enter a character. The user will be getting this message, and as the character is to be taken from the user, I have to write the scanf function, and inside scanf function I will write %c because %c correspond to character and the character is stored in ch, so and ch is written. So the entered character is stored in a variable ch. The first I will check whether the entered character is a lowercase character or not. For that purpose I have with me is lower function. And what does is lower function does? If the entered character or the character to be tested, it is a lowercase character, then it returns a true value, otherwise it returns false. So is lower is the function which I am going to use, and which character I have to test? I have to test the character which is stored in a ch, because entered character is stored in a variable ch. If this comes to be true, then I have to display the message the character is lowercase. The character is lowercase. So this is the message user will get if the enter character is lowercase. Now let us save the program and test for any errors. There are no errors. Let us run the program. Now what is displayed here? It is displayed that enter a character. Say character entered is A. So character is obviously a lowercase character. Now what if I enter the uppercase character? So in this case, say the enter character is say capital H, then nothing will be displayed because I have not written the code to test whether the character is uppercase or not. Now for that purpose, I have one more function with me, that is upper. So what does is upper do? Is upper will test whether the character ch is an uppercase character or not. So what I will print, if that function is true, if the condition is true, what I will print? I will print the character is uppercase. Character means the entered character is uppercase. So let us save the program, let us compile the program, and then let us run the program. I have entered the characters capital G. So obviously it is displaying the character is uppercase. So this is the way in which you can check whether the given character is in lowercase or uppercase. Suppose user enters one character and I have to convert that character into uppercase or lowercase. For that purpose, I have with me two functions. First one is toLower, which converts the given character into lowercase, and second one is toUpper, which converts the given character into uppercase. So as usual, user will enter one character and that entered character is to be converted into lowercase. So for that, what I am going to get, I am writing a printf statement, and inside that printf statement I will use the toLower function. So the given or entered character in uppercase is %c, and which function will convert it into we'll first write the lowercase, convert it into lowercase. So I will replace it with lowercase, and which function I will use to convert the character to lowercase? I will use the function toLower, and which character I have to convert into lowercase? Character stored in ch. Now let us see what happens. So save the program, then compile the program, and then run the program. Obviously I have to enter the character in uppercase so that it will get converted into lowercase. So the given character in lowercase is small h. Now what if I enter the character in which is already in small u? Then the character in lowercase is again small u. So that's all about the function which is toLower. Now if I have to convert the entered character into uppercase, what I have to do? I have to just replace toLower function by toUpper. So I will make the modification in the same sentence. So toUpper will convert the given character into uppercase. So instead of writing a separate line, I have modified the same line. So this is the program. Now what I have to do? I have to enter the character in small case. Say I have entered small e, then the given character in uppercase is capital E. So this is how the toLower and toUpper function are used in C language. Now the next part is I have to use one more function which is xdigit. X stands for hexadecimal. So there are different types of number system like decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. The speciality of hexadecimal number system is in hexadecimal number system there are numbers from 0 to 9, as well as there are some alphabets from A to F which represents number. So alphabets can be small a to small f, or they can be capital A to capital F. So user will enter one character and I have to display whether that character or a number correspond to an hexadecimal digit or not. So for that purpose I am going to use the function isXdigit. X stands for hexadecimal. And which character I am going to test? I am going to test the character stored in variable ch. So if this condition is true, what I will print? I will print the statement that the character is a hexadecimal digit. It is a hexadecimal digit. Now let us see what happens when I execute the program. I have compiled the program. There are no errors. Then I will run the program. Say enter a character. I have entered the character E. The character is a hexadecimal digit because the characters from A to F, they fall under the category of hexadecimal digit. Even if they are alphabets, they represent number, like small a represents or capital A represents 10 and B represents 11, C represents 12, likewise F represents 15. Now what if I enter the character in alphabet from A to F? Say I have entered F in capital. Again, it is a hexadecimal number. Let me enter one number. Say I have entered the number 6. Again, it is a hexadecimal number. But if I enter a character which is not between A to F, say I have entered R, then it will not display anything because it is not a hexadecimal digit. So in this way we have tested is XDC function of ctype.h. Now these are all the functions which are there as a part of ctype.h library. Now apart from those functions which are not there in our curriculum, that is content beyond syllabus, there are still some more functions which falls under the character category, and these functions we will study in brief. First one is alnum, second one is alpha, third is digit, fourth is punctuate, fifth one is print, and sixth one is to ASCII. So it is character conversion. Last one is character conversion, and first five functions are character testing functions. So let us modify the program. First we will check whether the enter character is alphanumeric. A alphanumeric character is a character which is either a alphabet or a number. Say I have to test the enter character is alphanumeric or not. So I will use if followed by the function is alnum. Alnum is alphanumeric, and I have to test the character which is stored in ch. If this condition is true, what I have to do? I have to print the message that the character is alpha numeric. The character is alpha numeric. Let us save the program and then compile the program for any errors. No errors are there. Run the enter a character. Say I have entered the character Y. Obviously the character is alphanumeric. Let us run it one more time. Now I will enter a number. So I will enter the number 5. Obviously it is a alphanumeric because it is a numeric part. Now what if I enter something different? Say I have entered a special symbol like this. Then in that case no message is displayed because it is neither an alphabet nor a digit. So in this way the alnum function will be true if the enter character or the character to be tested is either an alphabet or it is a numeric value. Going further, if you specifically want to check whether it is a alphabet or digit, in that case we can write one more function, that is alpha, to check whether it is an alphabet. We are purely talking about the alphabet. So is alpha will return true if the character is alphabet, that is either lowercase alphabet or uppercase alphabet. It will return false if it is not the alphabet, means it is a digit or some special symbol. So the character is alphabet, means I will first check whether it is alphanumeric, and then I will check whether it is an alphabet or not. So is alpha, I have misspelled it. Let us save it one more time and check for any errors. There are no errors. Then enter a character. Say I have entered W. The character is alphanumeric and it is particularly alphabet. Let us run it one more time. In this case, what I am going to do? I am going to enter a number. Say I have entered the number 9. 9 is no doubt, it is alphanumeric, but it is not alphabet. So the character is alphabet is not displayed. So what if I want to check whether the alphanumeric character is a digit or not? For that purpose, I have with me is digit function. It particularly checks whether the character is a digit or not. If it is a digit, it will return true and it will execute this printf statement. So it will execute this print. The character is a digit. Character is a digit. Save it, compile it, and run it. Enter a character. The entered character is, say, capital S. The character is alphanumeric and it is an alphabet. No doubt, it's true. Now let us try it for a number. I have entered the number, say, 4. The character is no doubt alphanumeric because numeric part is there and it is a digit. It is a digit. It is a digit. Here character means I am talking about the combination of alphabets, numbers, then special symbols likewise. I am not confining the word character with only alphabets. Then there is one more function which is called as is punctuation. Is punct means whether the given character is a punctuation mark or not. In that case, if this condition is true, if it is the character is a punctuation mark, then in that case what I have to do, I have to display the message the character is a punctuation mark. Save the program, compile the program, and then run the program. Now what I have to do, I have to test whether it is a punctuation mark. So punctuation marks is, say, I have entered comma, then the character is a punctuation mark. It is neither alphabet nor it is a digit, so it is a punctuation mark. So in this way, is punctuation checks whether the entered character is a punctuation mark, and all the symbols also falls under the category of punctuation mark. So we have learned one more function, is punct. It will return true if the given is a punctuation mark. One more function is there which is called as is print. Is print. So whether the given character is a printable character or not. So is print will check whether the given character is a printable or not. And if it is printable, it will return true and this print statement is executed. The character is printable. The character is printable. Compile the program, run the program. As usual, enter a character message is displayed. I have entered K. K is alphanumeric, no doubt. It is alphabet and it is printable. It is not a punctuation mark, so that message is not displayed. So in this way, we have studied different function, and let us move to the last function, where what I am going to do, I am going to use two ASCII function. Two ASCII functions means user will enter one character and that character's ASCII value will be displayed. So I will write the message ASCII value of entered character, and as ASCII value is in numerical form, I have to write %d as a format specifier. Now which function will help me to convert the given character to its ASCII value? The function is toASCII. So the toASCII is a character function which will convert the character ch into its ASCII equivalent. So I have used toASCII function. Let us save the program and compile the program, and then let us run the program. I will enter a character, say small a. The ASCII value of enter character is 97. So it's correct. So ASCII value of small a is 97. Let us run it one more time, and this time I will be entering the number, say 0. The ASCII value of enter character, that is ASCII value of 0 is 48. So thus we have done with the various character functions. Thank you.